The Osmo Pocket series has revolutionized handheld filmmaking since the first model in 2018. Its compact size, integrated gimbal, and intuitive interface changed the game for vloggers, travelers, and creators. The Pocket 2, 2020, introduced a larger sensor and tilt screen. The Pocket 3, 2023, elevated stabilization and color profiles to cinematic levels. Now, creators want more, bigger sensors, even smoother slow motion, better low-light footage, smarter AI tracking, and faster charging. DJI seems to have listened. Spec list appearing as overlay graphics, intercut with use case clips, night scenes, action, vlogs. Sensor upgrade, 1 CMOS, same size as Pocket 3, likely bumping native photos to 12 MP. Video enhancements, expect 4K at 240 frames per second, double Pocket 3's 120 frames per second, for ultra-smooth slow-mo. Color depth, 10-bit plus D-Log-M plus HDR support preserved. Low light, improved dynamic range for cleaner nighttime/indoor footage. Upgraded to approximate 2.5 OLED touchscreen, brighter, more responsive, visible outdoor. Navigation, faster UI, improved gesture responsiveness, new joystick module rumored. Gimbal, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, enhanced motor response, faster correction. Stabilization Plus, DJI's newest electronic algorithms for smoother footage during fast movement. Active Track 7.0, faster and more reliable than Pocket 3's 6.0, better eye, face, object, and pet tracking. Advanced autofocus, predictive AF, smarter subject detection, seamless transitions. Battery, slight capacity bump from 100 mAh 300 mAh. Runtime, estimated 120 minute continuous shooting. Charging, fast charge to full in 25 minutes via USB-C PD versus 32-minute previously. Thermals, improved heat dissipation for longer sessions in hot environments. Weight, almost equals 190 g versus 178 g on Pocket 3. Ergonomics, better grip, tactile buttons, improved water/splash resistance. Form factor, slightly taller housing due to enhanced screen module.